friends, this is Shakil and today I am going to show you how we can create AI avatar with the help of a powerful AI tool called Mango AI. So first of all, we will go to the Chrome. We will open the Chrome and here we have to type Mango Animate. So after giving this the address of the website, we will go downside and this is the website where we have to go. So here we have to press the option create video, AI video. Here are number of options. We have to select all AI tools, then we have to select AI avatar. Okay, now here we need three things. First, we need script on the basis of which our video will be created. Second is the avatar. Here we have to select the picture, and third is the background. So for the script, we have to go to the ChatGPT. We will write here chatgpt.com. Now here I have to ask ChatGPT to create a script. I will go here and I will tell you what I have to write. I will paste it here. I have given the command to the ChatGPT. I want to create a talking AI avatar. This avatar will introduce my YouTube channel where I give demos of various AI tools. Help me to create 50-word script for this avatar. So I am asking ChatGPT to create a script for my avatar as I want to start a YouTube channel. So now I will press the up arrow. I will press the up arrow like this. So let us see what will happen. So it has created a script of 50 words. That is, it has written hello and welcome to your channel name, where I have to write my channel name. Your go-to place to explore amazing AI tools. I am your virtual host, here to guide you through demos, tips and real use cases of the latest AI technologies. Subscribe now and let us unlock the power of AI together. So I will copy this script from here and I will copy it and I will paste it in the script text box here. Okay, but here I have to write my channel name. Suppose my channel name is Shakil Misgar. Okay, I have written here my channel name. Okay, so hello and welcome to Shakil Misgar channel. I have to write here channel. Okay, I have written here hello and welcome to Shakil Misgar channel. So rest is the same as I have told you what ChatGPT has created script for me. After that, next thing is I can change the avatar here. I can select here the picture, any picture I can select. It is a choice. You can take any picture, whether it is male or female, any picture. So if I will go to the human, here it is the videos. Here I go to the cartoons option. It is the images of the cartoons. And here, if suppose I will go to the custom, here I can upload my own picture from the gallery. I will go to the photos. Suppose I will select this picture. Okay, the picture will come here. Now suppose I want to change the background. I will go to the background option and suppose I want to give the background like this. So you can see the background is changed. So you can select any sorry, you can select any background from here and it will automatically come here. So next, another thing is the resolution. Here you can select the resolution. You can select the ratio. As I am creating the video for the size is 16:9. You can also select the size from here. If it is portrait, you can select 9:16. So you can select the size from here. It is a transaction mode, intro, outro. Also you can select here. You can also select the subtitle from here. if you want to select select the subtitle, you can also select from here. Suppose if you want to select background music, you can also select the background from music from here. Suppose I do not want to keep the background music, I will click on the cross. It will there will be no background music. So after doing all these options, I will press this option, generate AI. So let us see what will happen. Here it will take few seconds. We have to wait for 5 seconds till the video is created. It will take hardly 1 minute for that, because it also I have tried so many videos using this software, and it is hardly taking 1 minute. So you can try all these options in this software. There are a number of options in this software which is not possible to explain in this video. So I will make the next video. My next video will be on the other options of this software. So it is the amazing software. You can try all these options here, and we have to wait for at least one. It will take 1 minute. We have to wait for nearly 1 minute, and let us see how it will create a AI avatar. Here you can also create. I have also created a. You can also create a same like an anchor is reading a news. Same we can see. We are watching the news channel as the anchor is just reading the news, and you can also create a news channel from here also, which is possible through this software. So you can create anything by using this AI tool. So it is generating. Just tried all options in the software. So let us see what will happen here. So it will take few seconds. We have to wait, and we have to see the result. Because also it depends on the internet connection also. The speed of your net is very fast. It will hardly take 50-60 seconds. It will take 50 seconds. Okay, it has created a video. So let us see.
Hello and welcome to Shakil Mizgar channel, your go-to place to explore amazing AI tools. I'm your virtual host, here to guide you through demos, tips, and real use cases of the latest AI technologies. Subscribe now and let's unlock the power of AI together.
Okay, it has created an amazing video. So here I will show you. You can also download this video from here, as I have all the video is already downloaded. And second thing is, you can share this video from here also. You can share it to the Facebook directly, X, and you can also copy the link if you want. So this is the option in it. So you can try all options in the software. You can also create an amazing AI avatar by using this Mango AI. So I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.